Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at one of our new features called the podcast, or in this example, the audio. So once you've activated it from your back office in the Create App section where you have all your features, it shows in the Features tab. When you click on it, this is what it looks like. It'll be blank. And what I've done here is put a couple of examples in. So first one, I'm just going to show you when you actually have a podcast. You would just enter the name, the description, and put the podcast link in here. Okay, hit save and you're done. We also have the ability for you to add your own audio files. So if you've got audio files on your own computer, you can actually house them inside of the app platform as well. So you basically, I'm going to hit the edit button here. So basically you're able to add title, put an image there, and upload the media right through here. You can see right here is how much megabyte space you have for files. If you need more, you can get it. I'll show you where you can get that in a second. So that's essentially where you have the audio files done like that. Again, we just created a test one here, and you just click this button and you'd be able to add files. So again, I'll delete it, and now you see it's not there. So basically, you're entering a name and a description. Okay, demo. Okay, and hit save. And then you see it over on this side, click this plus button, and now you can upload files right here. If you don't enter a podcast link, you'll get this option over here. To see what it looks like in the app, let's take a look. So here's an app with the podcast link inside. We mapped it out on the home screen like we do any other feature. You click on it, and this is what it looks like. This is an actual podcast. You can see down here we've got a little black tab. When you click on that black tab, this pops out and you're able to switch the theme from light to dark. Okay, and then that tab is now white, so I can switch back. And whatever you leave it as, it will save that theme for you the next time you come back in. So this is what it looks like inside of the app. We talked about adding more space. If you need to add space to upload more of your own files, I'll show you where you do that. So when you come back to your main dashboard where you have all your apps listed, you see this little tab right here that says Feature Requests. You'll see your apps over here. You'll select one, and then you're able to request whatever amount of space you would need. And that's it. Thanks for watching.